Yes, they beat it to death. And yes, they really beat it to death. Literally beat it to death. What's up? What's up? You guys been a bad boy. What's up, buddy? What's up? You guys been bad. Hey guys, welcome to the live. Yes, the brown chicken passed away. I went out and I purchased another layer chicken. Those two decides to beat it to death. They literally beat the chicken to death. You see how they're reacting because they see me? Get some worms, dry worms, for them. Hold on. I love those dry worms. Team Happy, what's going on? What's going on, Craig? Hey, Craig, I got two bullies here. This one, that's the one that laid green eggs, and this one. My other brown one passed away. So, before I went to California, I went and I purchased another layer chicken. And would you believe that they beat the damn chicken to death? They pecked it. Chicken got scared, wouldn't eat. They wind up murdered the chicken. Brooklyn, Team Happy, welcome. They wind up murdering the chicken, bro. Oh man, guys, I just missed it. I just missed it. Oh man. It's getting windy. Oh man, I just missed it. Let me see if you can see. If you see that branch right there, that one just hit the ground. Thank God I cut all these things away from the house. All the trees I cut away from the house. This is like my fence line. This one was the biggest one, and I cut it down. Cut down one over there. That was a cherry. And them wild cherry, you could barbecue and grill with them. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is a cherry wood. You could smoke your meat, whatever you want with them. This sucker was big, but there was a branch hanging over the shed. There was a branch hanging over the house. So I said, get rid of it. Right here, I plant my sugar cane. Hold on, guys. Let me get something, see what's going on, because I have some more sugar cane. That's the regular sugar cane. I also have some red sugar cane. I'm going to dig up and plant. I just want to take a quick peek at what's going on down here. Okay. They still got juice in them. Right there. Because I see people as far as Philadelphia planting sugar cane. So I said, all right, I'm going to try it. So what I did was I went and bought some sugar cane and I cut it up, dug a hole, and I covered it with leaves and fertilized manure. And I put it in there. And so far, if it wasn't gonna work, this was about a month and a half ago. If it wasn't gonna work, what I showed you would have been dried up. Still got juice in it, and it still got the knot in it for it to grow. So, and I got some more sugar cane I'm gonna plant. But when the tree is cut down, let me show you. What's going on, Craig? Hold on a second. When the tree was cut down, there's another down here. They have these cherry trees, and when it cuts down, I save the wood because you could smoke your meat with them. All right. Yeah, man. When I say the Sister J, big up yourself. When I say the flavor that you get from that meat, that the smoke goes up into that meat, oh my God. A lot of people don't know, brother. I just got home from California from vacation, and people, if you have strawberries, this is my old chicken coop water bucket. If you have strawberries and they're old, dig a hole, put them in there. You see those little black things on the outside of strawberries? Those are strawberry seeds. Put them in there. Dig a hole, put them in the ground. Put the whole thing in the ground, and you'll get strawberries. Look at these bad boys. Look at them. Watch this. Watch this. That's how I'm going to open the gate. See? All want to come over to see me. Yeah, the brown one, like I said, the brown one died. And this is why it died. Let me show you guys. You see the water tank? The one I just showed you back there? I didn't have a heater system in it. I didn't buy the heater one. This is the heater one. Plug in. When it gets cold, it keeps the water from not freezing. So it got cold a couple of times and the chicken wasn't eating. Well, it wasn't drinking water. It just kept eating and it died. So I got the one with the heating system now. Now, since it died, I said, okay, let me go buy another one. And let me see what's going on. Because all three of them grew up together and that one died, I brought in the other one. Oh, they picked that one to death. They feel like it was another somebody was invading their privacy, or they didn't grow up together. Okay, when I moved to Georgia, yeah, listen, you can grow your chickens in Georgia, and what Georgia does too, if you own property and you grow any kind of livestock, it has to be a certain amount of livestock on it. You get a wicked tax break. You get a nice tax break. Honest to God, I want chickens and I want goats. I love goats. I love goats, but I don't have enough room. I do have enough room I could fence off down there, but the only problem is I'm a truck driver. I have a feeder for the chicken that lasts for a week. I come home every week. And again, people, if you have onions inside your fridge that looks like they're about to grow, put them in the ground. Every once in a while, you snip the top of it. And when you snip the top of it, use it to season whatever you want to season. It'll grow right back. Because you know you always buy thyme. I'm sorry, scallion. In this country they call scallion green onions. Just snip the top. It's not gonna stop it from growing underneath. All it's gonna do is push out more leaves. Use that as scallion. All the fruit trees, the leaves are gone. I gotta remember these things now. Okay. This little skinny little thing here, I bought it and it was just a little thing shooting out. It's a pomegranate. And I said, I'm not gonna get none from this. But every year it grows a little bigger and bigger. I have this for 4 years now. This is nectarine. Bought this from the supermarket, believe it or not. And from the day I bought it, I have it for 2 years and it's been giving me fruits for 2 years. Persimmon, this tree right here, my mistake was I was trimming it. I shouldn't trim it. So when you trim it, you're not letting it breathe. You're not giving it enough for it to produce. I was trimming it. Last year, well, I said this year I had some pretty good ones, but not trimming it. Next year I'm gonna show you how much I get off of it. Peach tree, nice. I've been getting some nice ones off of it. I had raspberry in the back. I pulled it up and I put one little piece over here, and it's just, that's the, what do you call this, purple looking plant. It's been doing good. It's coming back. This is the plum tree. Did a supermarket again. 2 years straight. Plums. I'm gonna murder this. I'm gonna murder it. 4 years. Got blossom one time. Pear tree. Gonna murder it. I need something where I could get fruits. Another pomegranate. Love my pomegranate. Pomegranate is healthy for men. Guys, eat your pomegranate. Drink pomegranate juice. This, I'm gonna murder it. Another pear tree. Nothing. 4 years. Cherry tree. No. I don't know if I'm cutting it back too much. I really don't know. First year, nothing. Second year, loaded. Third year, nothing. Fourth year, nothing. You on the brink of you on death row. Might get rid of you. Might get rid of you. Not sure yet. Now back here is where I plant. This is blueberries. Did great. So 3 years, 2 years straight. Did great. Did beautiful. Last year, nothing. If you disappoint me again, you're gonna get murdered. Okay. Right here is my black grapes. First time planting it last year, I got nice grapes out of it. Up here, and believe it or not, people, if you look up high, tomatoes. Here it is. Tomatoes. This is my pepper field. Don't know if I'm gonna use this for herbs next year. I have tomatoes, sorrel, okra. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm confused because the pepper did well over in the other herbal. I'm gonna make that herbal. These just peppers. I've been getting good peppers all year. Not gonna mess it up, but last of my peppers. And this is a habanero. I had 8 different type of hot peppers. Now, what I learned is with your garden, and I'm gonna put it out there. Anything you plant, any kind of herbs, any kind of vegetables, any kind of fruits, make sure you have, it's a flowers called marigold. Have them in your garden with everything, because those blossom so well. And you know when you get blossom, what you get, right? You get pollinators. You get bees. So the more blossom, the more bees. The more to pollinate your fruits, your vegetables. This year, I learned how to self-pollinate passion fruit. Next year, like I said on my previous video, I'm gonna have a trellis, and that's what I'm gonna do. Self-pollinate. Time don't die. What do you call it? Buckshot. They're coming up. This is winter. This is winter plants. Mint don't die, they multiply. Strawberries. I had one little plant, but I'm gonna take these up. All these I'm gonna take up. Oregano, rosemary. I'm gonna take these up because I have to spread. I've spread this out and turned the soil. Spread this out all over and turn the soil. This is my fertilizer. I might, you know what? I'm gonna put them back after I turn the soil, because you can do that. You can dig these up with the dirt, all of them. I'm gonna dig them up with the dirt, get the manure, spread it out, and put them back with the manure. That's what I'm gonna do. All right. My neighbors, everybody have this. growing. Winter come, boom, they survive. But this, I'm just watching it because I need it for when I wash my hair. I use, it helps your hair to grow. It strengthens the roots of your hair. Um, Also, I'm gonna show you guys something. This is where I usually keep my tropical. You notice I pick everything up, put them inside because I worked on them so much. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you them. Stay tuned, guys. This is live, so when you see things move, I know what I'm gonna do. This is the end of the year update. Give me 1 minute. I'm gonna go around, open the door, and show you guys. Oh, I gotta show you. If you're growing lettuce, any lettuce, romaine lettuce, leaf lettuce, any kind, iceberg lettuce, and say you plant 10. If you plant 10 lettuce, people, cut 8 of them. This is what I do to the fig tree every year. And that was just a piece of stick I put in the ground. Cut 8 of them. Let 2 of them go to seed. Let them stay there. Let the seed dry. Cut the seed. Cut it down, and put it where you want it to grow. I never run out of lettuce. These are baby lettuce. 4 years now I've been doing this. I don't eat all my lettuce. I let some go to seed, and I just put them in here. When I'm ready to plant, I take these out and go plant them. Because the winter, it's not going to grow as fast because the winter slows the growth down. These are regular lettuce. You can eat this right now. Always leave 2 or 3. Let them go to seed. You'll never have to buy lettuce or lettuce seeds or baby lettuce to grow. You'll never have to do that again. Never. Just let it grow. This is the basement. Humidifier. And we see water on the floor. I just water these. You don't have to go crazy and buy no expensive grow lights or nothing. Get some plastic. They're on Temu, YouTube, Temu, Amazon. Get some plastic. Plastic around one section in the basement. Okay. Mango tree, fever grass, aloe. These are peppers I saved from last year, from last season. See, they're growing. Peppers. Look at this. Peppers I saved from last season. Just all I do is cut them down, cut them all the way down. Because if you don't do that, like I said on my last video, all the energy will go to the leaves. So trim them, cut them down. Cut, snip. Jackfruit. 3 years now. Okay, Cuban thyme, just got that. Guinea, 3 years and going. I was supposed to separate them, I didn't. Right here, East Indian mango tree. I bring them all in. Bring them all in. Okay, pineapple. I got them right there. If you buy pineapple from the supermarket, you could grow them. This is dwarf Julie mango. Dwarf Julie mango, they're blossoming. Over here, my avocado tree. White. This is pink guava. I've been reaping from this for the past 2 years. More pineapple. Also, look at this. This is one of the peppers that I pulled up from outside. Stick some ginger in it. Ginger's growing. Let's look, ginger. I got ginger in a couple of these things. That ginger. Oh, I didn't even know this was gonna survive. Star fruit. It was just a little. It wasn't even. Let me show you. When I got it, it wasn't even this big. Now look at it, and I got it this year. More peppers from outside. Which one is this? Oh, June plum. Blossoming, have June plum. This is Myers lemon. Blossoming. This is another June plum. This is the Jamaican apple tree there. The leaves fall off every year and they come back. This over here. I want to get a good shot of it for you guys. You can see pushing for blossom, but guess what? It's blossom in here. It's my mango tree and it's blossom in here. This is white guava. I've had it the same time I've had the pink guava. 2 years straight I had white guava. Never had nothing from the pink. Back here is pimento, or they call it allspice tree. Bermuda cherry. And I have a tangerine tree back here. Try to back out of this thing. So, if you have a basement, like I said, these lights right here, these are what you call the drop lights for when painters use them. You can use them. You just put some bulbs in it. I used to use 100-watt light bulbs. But I did this with the plastic. I just created my own greenhouse. What I'm gonna do now is put some plastic on top. Because to be honest with you, down here, this is the basement. I should have finished my basement a long time ago. See, all the bathroom fixtures is right here, ready to build a bathroom. I'm not ready yet. I love my plants, so I said the plants first. Look at this pineapple tree, people. I guarantee you, next summer I'm gonna see you start shooting pineapple. Guaranteed. This one died. This one died, but it has this little babies on the side coming up. Self-care, how you doing, sweetie? I'm just doing a little video of my inside garden. Oh, big up gardening with Stacy. That's a lady that has a small backyard in Portmore, and that lady grows things in pots, and yo, she's learning a lot. Oh, I forgot to show you this papaya tree. There's three of them, and where I'm at in North Georgia, they say you can't grow none of this. This avocado tree was from seed. They said you cannot grow none of this in North Georgia. Why did they say it? They don't know. Say we come from an island that is lit with talawa. These are all this Bombay mango tree grow big, tall. These are great, and I'm not no paid advertising, but let me lock this back up. But I'm in the basement, people. Yeah, dwarf trees from, it's called plantogram. Plantogram.com. All the stuff is grafted. They don't have to be a giant to produce fruits. This is my biggest disappointment, people. And every year it happened to me. Let me get out the sun. Every year it happened to me. My beautiful gungu tree. Look at it. Every year when it starts to blossom, the cold hit it. So disappointing. If I plant it in March, the cold hit it. I said, all right, I'm gonna start February. Did it in February. It has a time when it blossoms. You can't fight Mother Nature. Cannot fight Mother Nature. It's all right. I said, okay. Something wrong. I did it in March. I'm doing it in February. This time I say I'm gonna do it in January. Same thing. It has a time when it blossoms, and we can't change that. Our Georgia suburb homestead. What part of Georgia are you in? The question. I'm gonna take my shoes off, people. I'm not going to. Turn this on. Yeah, I'm not going to leave it outside. I'm in North Georgia. What part of Georgia are you in? You in Gwinnett? What? That's down the road. I'm up here in Hall County. That is just down the road. Because you have Hall County, then you have Gwinnett County. Um, I'm sorry, folks. What part do you leave it outside? Did you plant it outside, or do you bring it in, or do you have a greenhouse? Oh, I definitely will come see you. I'm what you call a garden nut. There's a guy in Morrow, Georgia. He has a greenhouse and he sells all the tropical fruits. If you go on Facebook Marketplace, he has everything. But with the cherry tree now, is it outside or do you bring it inside? Do you have a greenhouse? I gotta come see you. You could you could let me see. You have them in a huge pot. Yes. Oh my God, I would love to come see you guys. I would love to come see you guys. Ah, another person right here. Planter Garden TV. I'm not sure where he's at, but he's been doing miracles too. Especially with his how he fertilizes. You know, we have Georgia this red clay. Or he's been doing wonders with his garden. He's been doing fantastic because he used the leaves from the fall, and he let them the leaves. Yeah, he mixed it in with the soil. You know, I love what he's doing. He's doing a hell of a job. I think what he needs too, he needs a greenhouse because this man loves everything he does with gardening. And I gotta get an outside greenhouse. I need to hold on. Okay, Loganville, is it off of I-20? Loganville. Where is Loganville? Planter Garden TV. I'm gonna go over there now. I think I have that person. I'm not sure. Yes, Athens. Well, you know what? I'm close to there. Athens Highway. Athens Highway is yep. Okay, I could take 129 over past 85 and hit Athens Highway and run into it. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I got to see you. I gotta see your garden. I got to. I I'm fascinated with especially tropical growing. I'm from the island. I'm straight Jamaican, 100% Jamaican, and I love outdoor tropical growing. I can get what? That is not bad. Hold on. Let me go back. You said something about February. Hold on. They open in February. Okay, cool. Oh, exotic cooking. Hey, how you doing? Exotic cookbook. How you doing? Listen, I've watched a couple of your videos, but you educated me now. Used to curry goat and they're petty. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Yeah, cause I'm a truck driver and I'm home like on weekends, and I don't have a drip system. I don't want a drip system. Last year, all my vegetables, unfortunately, we starting to have rabbits over here now. They eat all of them. The deers, I fence everything around from the deers, but the rabbits, I'm gonna have to. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get like the chicken mesh and fence around my garden just from the rabbits. I bought deer repellent, rabbit repellent. They don't work. It's um it's See if you can write this down because I'm not a typer. It's JOOCKY Who's this? Oh boy, I can't answer now. JAM. Okay, this is all one word. JOOCKYJAM 816 at yahoo.com. Gmail.com. I can't end this live. I don't want to end this live. I'll call you guys back. Come on, I'll call you back. Oh my God. Come on, guys. I didn't pick up, so end it. JO 816 at gmail.com. At gmail.com. Perfect. Perfect. Oh my God, man. I did not know you were so close. Hey, people, I want you to check out Princess AG TV. My wife, check her out. That's Princess AG TV. She has some great content on her channel too. She does a little bit of everything. Um, how about suburban? How about can are you busy tomorrow? I would love to tour your garden. Or like I said, I'm home on weekends. Just let me know when I could stop by on a weekend. And I have in the pot downstairs. It's called guineps. It's called guineps. I have some little suckers of guineps if you like. Hey, any Saturday will be fine. When I get off, any Saturday will be fine. I have I don't know. I could bring a couple of the pineapple. I have some pineapples downstairs. I could bring some if you'd like. You know, all they need to do is just go into a bigger pot. Like I said, I don't know what the other name for it is, but we call it guineps. Oh, Spanish limes. It's called Spanish limes. I have some of those fruits. So some of those little baby suckers, if you'd like. All these things are tropical. Okay. I have two June plum tree. I can bring one over. I mean, we could just trade things. No seeds, no seeds, no seeds. I don't use seeds, so okay, no need to. But if you, I would definitely do. I would definitely do. I'll definitely bring something. Do you like June plums? Cause my trees they fruiting, blossoming and everything. Oh yeah, yeah. They're kind of tricky. They're kind of tricky. The best way is to let them ripe, let them ripe, and you could when you bite into them when they ripe, they're nice and sweet, and you don't get all that little from the seed. You don't get that little furry thing, that little pricky. You know what I'm talking about. That they're good fruits, and like I said, the pineapple. I could bring pineapple. Those are store bought pineapple that I'm growing. Hey, I can bless you with something when I come over. I don't know if you have the natural aloe plant. My neighbor's from Trinidad. I have first June plum. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, June plum is very good. It's very good. I love it. Aki tree. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. In Gwinnett, Aki tree? Yeah, yeah. A lot of places like I think the Indians, some of the islands, they stew the June plums. Yes, they do. But you said Aki tree. Hold on. Let me go back. You said your neighbor had a Aki tree. That's something that they bring inside, right? The Aki tree has to be inside because it can't be outside. Man, don't tell me about no Aki tree outside because I'll definitely try and grow those. I'll definitely try that because Aki and salt is okay. They call and on the island we call it salt fish, and over here they call it bacalao. Is Aki and salt fish? That's our national dish. Oh, you don't live? Okay, I thought you lived in Gwinnett. Oh, before moving. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, but you also can get Aki the tree. You could get it from fast growing trees. Fastgrowingtrees.com. You could get the Aki tree, or I'm not sure if Plantogram has them, but I know for a fact the Aki tree you can get it from fastgrowingtrees.com. And fastgrowingtrees.com, You have to make sure when you get stuff from there, it's grafted. Plantogram, I know for a fact that 90% of their stuff is grafted. Plantogram.com. Snellsville. Oh my God. And you growing all that. Oh my God. I'm jealous. Sometimes growing this stuff, sometimes you know you're not going to get the fruit from it, but it's just growing it. It's just, I don't know. It's it, just growing it alone is satisfying. It, even though sometimes, like the apple tree, it's a Jamaican apple. I'm trying to remember the exact name. I know I'm not gonna get nothing from it. Oh, did you see it? Yeah, they kind of planogram. Let me tell you what happened with planogram and fast growing trees. People's been ordering from there so much. I I'm starting to see their price going up little by little by little. I'm starting to see it. And matter of fact, it's not little by little. Every year the price jump and it jumps high because they've been getting so much orders. Uh, SD. Okay, I got the star fruit from SD. And SD, their advertisement is kind of false in a way because the size that they showed me and what I received, I was like, "Are you serious?" So what I did, I said, "I'm gonna take care of it, take care of it." And you see how, and this is it's not even a full year since I've had the star fruit, and it's a good size now. The first one I got from them, I'm not gonna say died. It passed away because I got it towards the winter, and for me to put it in a pot and everything, and it didn't make it. So I said, okay, spring. I'm gonna start getting whatever I'm getting in the spring, and let them get used to the soil. Let them get used to being, in a pot. Oh, I'm sorry. What exotic fruits? Oh, you need a channel. You need a channel. Listen, anything you grow with especially with YouTube, you see growing, and as long as you stay consistent with that channel, if you grow things, your channel will grow a lot because when you grow things, either you take advice from other people or you learn on your own and you give the advice to other people about what you do, and your channel will grow. So your farmers markets on the weekends, is it in Snellsville? And what product do you carry? Do you carry like honey, natural honey, and all that stuff? That's no problem. That I would love that, because also from the I grow a lot of hot peppers, and I also have a sauce company from what I grow, and the herbs that I put in it is from my garden. So we could definitely sit down and talk. We could give each other ideas. Oh my God. Um, Princess, tag the sauce company name. You can check out my sauces and stuff. And what I'm selling my sauces for, and my stuff is all natural. And I go on other websites, I see them selling one bottle for 20, 30, $40. I'm like, that's ridiculous. I know people, you know, economy is crazy now, so I don't, go crazy on my sauce. I grow like 8 different kind of the world hottest peppers, but you see me now with my sauce, you don't get heat, you get flavor. From the herbs and everything that I put in it. Yeah, you get some. Oh my God, it's been doing great so far. No, listen, I'm not worrying about the cold. It's the time I get home on Saturday. Like I said, I'm a truck driver, and I try to get the weekends off. And the first thing I do when I come home, I try to take care of because I have like a timer on my chicken feed, and I try to clean my chicken feed out. The clean everything out in fresh water, everything. Um, oh, let me ask you a question. Do you need some manure? I have chicken and horse manure mix. I could bring you some. They do great with in the garden. When you turn the soil with them, they do great. Oh my God, I love you now. No, I know. No, I know you real. Yeah, you got your own chickens. I like that. I like that. Hey, we have to meet up. We have to meet up. This is the type of thing I love. Um, I can give you. I can. How can I get in touch with you? All right, send me your information on the email. Hold on. Hold on. You're okay with dogs. Oh, you got ducks? Oh, I definitely will. Yes, I'm okay with dogs. Dogs are not my biggest friends, but I can adopt. I can adapt with them. Okay, definitely. Me and Princess AGTV, AG Born Jamaican, Princess AGTV, we will definitely come, and I would love an interview with you. I would love to interview you on my channel. Uh, oh my God, I'm on the phone right now, but I'm about to end the live, and I'm gonna check the email, and also when I check the email, I'm gonna email you back with my number. Oh my god! Like I said, I'm on my phone. I can't check my email right now because I'm on my phone. Can you check my email? Like I said, I'm on my phone. Can you check my email, please? Can you check my email? I'm asking Princess AGTV. We got definitely need an interview with you. I need an interview with you. This is like you see farming, surviving. We have to stop buying all that junk from the store. I grew up farming. Anyone? Surviving. We have to stop buying all that junk from the store. Okay, so what am I looking for? I just got an email. Can I see? Your phone is dark. Okay. What's the IBO? I don't have my glasses. I'm sorry. Yep. That's you. That's you. Okay. My name is Tony. Okay, I'm gonna reply back. Okay, when I get off this live, I'm gonna reply back and I'm gonna send you my number, and we could definitely link up. We could definitely do an interview, and I would love to tour your farm. I would love to. You don't understand. I'm when it comes to farming and growing things, that's me. Lala, how you doing? People, if you don't have your girl Lala, she's in South Florida and she does her little own backyard thing too. You know, she's beautiful. She does she likes her little travel and her little backyard thing. She do her thing. Lala, if you're ever in Georgia, trust me, we have to link up. Georgia suburban homestead. Yes, I'm getting of age. I'm not afraid to say it. Um, Let me see. Search for my glasses. I'm not afraid to say it. And yes, I'm boring. I like farming, and I like all that good stuff. And if you consider it boring, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. But that's me. I like farming and fishing. The two things that relax me. But if you're ever in the Atlanta area, check them out. La. Where's my glasses? Where is? Oh, in that bag. People, I just got in from California. I was in California for the Christmas holidays, visiting families, and just got back in. Voila! Yes, I got my old man glasses on. Yes, I got my old man glasses. Lala, please check out this channel, and man, I gotta go. I gotta do an interview. I'm so excited to go do an interview with them. And when I get to you, Lala, I want to come down to South Florida when everything is ready to eat on your tree to do an interview while I'm eating them. Everything. That's when I want to do an interview. I'm gonna be like, people, I'm here with Lala. I'm on a farm. I'm on in a garden. That's how I want to be. That's how I want to do it, Lala. I want to be eating stuff right from the tree. Oh my God. What do you, Lala? She's asking, what do you grow? She'll get back to you. These are my little cheap Walmart reading glasses. There was like three in a pack. So, and I ain't afraid to say cheap. There you go. Papaya. Love that papaya tree that fell down. And I'm glad you didn't mess with it. Now look how much papaya's on there. Sugar apple. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can tell you about her the sugar apples from her tree. I can personally tell you. Okay. You're gonna say I'm greedy. I I ate everything out the sugar apple. I washed it, ate everything, and it was so good. I looked at the skin. I was like, damn, man. I started eating the skin. I haven't had it in 20. No, I'm sorry, 45 years. 45 years I haven't had sugar apple. That's picked from a tree. And when I said I enjoyed it, oh my God, I enjoyed it. Whoa, 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 sis. You said sugar apple again. If you want me to cash app you some money for some of those sugar apples, let me know. Matter of fact, you know what? How can I put my number up here? If I have to cash app you to mail me some, oh my God. See, everything that you mentioned there, I grow except for I have the papaya tree. This is what 3 years now, nothing, because they're in a pot. I'm in the cold. They gotta come inside and out. I don't have the sugar apple. Collard greens, I'm sick and tired of growing them. I don't. These caterpillars, man, they caterpillars. The neem oil works for a while, but I don't like. Kale, kale, I love kale, especially raw in salad. Okay, okay, that sounds good. That sounds good. But some of them was squished up and everything. But guess what? Sis, I enjoy. I don't care how squished they were. Remember, I haven't had sugar apple since I left Jamaica. The real deal, picked off the tree. I've seen them in stores, but they don't look like sugar apple. Man, oh my God. I lick my fingers. I lick my toes. They were so delicious. Thank you. But I need you. I need you to link up if you ever in Georgia. Georgia Suburban Homestead. I'm not gonna try. I am gonna link them up, and I'm gonna set an appointment where I could do an interview. Matter of fact, if you send me sugar apples, I will bring it over to them. I will bring it over to them. Oh, thank you. When and listen, I'm not gonna say if. Lala is a person of she keeps her word. She sent me some in the springtime. I will come over and we will eat it together. We will eat it together. Where's this person at? You know what? Because where we at is too cold. I purchased star cherry plant, and it was some Epsy, and they said it could survive outside. I didn't put it outside. This is the second one up, and I had it in pots, and they died on me. My first Bermuda cherry tree died on me. The second one I have now, it's growing crazy. I love how it's growing. It blossomed one time last year, but my mistake is, and oh, I'm gonna tell you my mistake, but Lala, if you want more fruits when they blossom, plant a lot of marigold around. Trina, how you doing? God bless. How you doing? We talking about growing, Trina. We talking about growing fruits and vegetables. Plant a lot of marigolds around them. Marigolds attract those bees, pollen, blah blah blah. I'm doing great. I just got back from California from the Christmas vacation, and on the second, I'm going back to work. Trina, check out anybody you see on this channel. If you don't have them, check them out. They're good supporters, and that's all I have to say. They're good supporters, and we're here talking. And okay, yeah, marigolds. Man, I've been checking out, because my passion fruit, I didn't get nothing, and I'm learning now how to self pollinate them. And a lot of stuff like my peppers this year, I had so much blossom on my pepper trees. You know, I grow peppers for my sauce, and last year I had I had so many peppers I don't know what to do with them, and I found out why. The sorrel. When the sorrel blossom, it attract bees. I had it right there in the pepper plant, in the pepper patch. Now, this year, I had blossom like crazy, but less peppers. I found out the pollinators. Pollinators, that's what I need. Did my research. Marigolds are the best pollinators. You stick them anywhere in your garden. Marigolds are the best pollinators for bees. The passion fruit, just plant two passion fruit vine. Um, with the passion fruit now, I was thinking I wasn't really watching these people, and I wasn't really. I was watching them, but they was telling me wrong. So I went and got a little paintbrush, and I started rubbing them, pollinating them. I was doing it wrong. You could take off the bottom blossom. The bottom, if you look at the blossom, you'll see where the pollen's at. You could just spread it all over the top. And there's people on YouTube who will tell you yes, 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 but they don't show you. I found this channel that showed me. So now I'm gonna start doing it. Even if I get one, I'll be happy. But at least I know I'm doing something and I'm doing it right. Um, Trust me. Okay, hold on, hold on. Yes, I know. But where they were, and because I had to build a nice little thing with the for the deers, they weren't getting pollinated too much because the wind was kind of blocking them in a way. And you know what I'm loving? Guys, give any ideas you guys have about planting anything. Everybody here, Trina, Lala, um, I'm gonna go back to you over here. I'm gonna call you Suburban Homestead. All of us, I love growing things. All of us love growing things. Mona Lisa. Oh, no problem. I got you. When I get off the live, I'm gonna send you my name, my number, everything. I would love to do an interview with you. I'm definitely one day God bless our soul. I'm be in South Florida doing an interview with Lala, and I'm be picking mangoes. I'm be picking everything off her tree while I'm doing the interview. Oh, Lala, big up your husband for me. Big up the kids. Big up everybody. God bless all you guys. Happy holidays. Lisa, happy holidays. God bless you guys. And hey, there it is. Happy growing. That's our new thing. Happy growing for 2025. Happy growing. So, Lala, whenever you do an interview or do a live or whatever, remember happy growing at the end of it. That's what we're going to do. Happy growing. Trina, if you're still there, happy growing. We're gonna build a trend here. We're gonna let people plant more. Mr. G. Hold on. I think I missed something here. Oh my God. People. Rambo Green Hands. This is another farmer. This is another person who loves to live off the earth. Rambo, my brother, God bless you. God bless you. He's from England. And people, stuff this guy grows in the cold, stuff this guy grows. Go check out his last video with he just did a cauliflower thing, and a lot of people throw away the leaves from the cauliflower and all that. All those are edible. All those are edible. You know what I'm gonna start doing? I'm gonna stop doing my travel vlogs. I'm gonna stop doing. I'm gonna concentrate on my chicken and my growing. I want to see where this channel is gonna take me this year. Rambo, check out Suburban Homestead. That Lisa will check you out too, man. People, I'm just gonna start all the other stuff I was doing. I'm gonna stick to my chickens and my growing for 2025 because, like Rambo would say, food is what? Come on, put it in the chat. Thursday at 9. Do me a favor. Thursday at 9 p.m. Like I said, I'm a truck driver. I'm going to send you my number. You can send me a text. I'll be up watching you if you send me that text. Food is medicine, baby. Let's help promote each other, please. Rambo, check out Suburban Homestead for me, please. Please check out Lisa's channel. I know you already have Lala. Everybody has Lala. My sweet little sister, Lala. We are growers here. You and Lala goes way back. I had Lala a good while too. Lala is my little sister. No, listen. It's good to have a character on YouTube. You being silly, but yet you give advice. Yet you show, hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Just do what you feel is real. Okay, Lisa? Do what you feel is real. I'm gonna be here to support you, and you have new people here to support you too. Just be yourself. That's all. If you being silly, hey, it's all cool. It's all good. It's all love here. I had you for a while. Trust me. caught a couple of your lives, but you be having so much people on there. You pass through my comments. Guys, I'm definitely gonna to get together and we're gonna do a live. I don't want to do a live. I want to do an interview with Lisa. I want to know the ins and out. I want to know how long she got. I want to know everything. What motivated her? I want to know everything. You know, they got a nice farm. They listen. You got to check out her Lisa's channel, people. You got to check out Lisa's channel. Lisa's down to earth. You know what? I'm gonna bring her. I have some guys. I have some guinea trees downstairs. I'm gonna separate some and bring to her. I got pineapple tree I could bring to her. What else? Oh, just for the hell of it, I want you to grow it. I'm gonna bring you that June plum tree. I'm gonna bring you that June plum tree. If you check out Rambo Greenhand's channel, oh my God, this man, he has animals that trying to get his stuff, but listen, he don't give up. He don't give up. He push on and push him out. He find ways to eat from what he grows. He find ways. He don't plant stuff for these animals. He plants stuff for himself. That's what I respect with him. He don't give up. He's in England. I just came on here because I said, listen, I haven't seen you guys or talked to you guys in a while. There you go. There you go. Good advice, man. See, you got people on your channel now, Lisa. Remember, her name is Lisa. But check out her channel, man. I know you did already. I know you did. You know what I should do? All you guys who grows, I should go on once a month. I don't like doing lives. I should go on and just push that one person's channel. Each person, Lala, um, you know, Suburban Homestead, Rambo, just to try to help each other out. And that's what we should do. There's four, what? There's Rambo, Lala, Suburban, me. We should do that. We should just go on and just push each other's channel. Every month we push a person's channel. Work with each other and see how far it goes. No, I got home. I just got home from California. I'm going out on the second. I'm a truck driver too. I'm going out on the second. I'm going to Adairsville. The company I work with, they deliver Lowe's product from the warehouse to the stores. So I'm gonna pick up and go to Mississippi to deliver on the second. Pick up on the second, about 4 o'clock in the morning. Leave out four. It's best if I leave out at 3. Go to the warehouse, pick up, and go deliver. But hey, guys, let's push each other's channel every month. If we go live or whatever, we push that channel for a month. Next month, we do the same. For different, for all four. We could listen. You see, unity is strength. Unity is strength. I'm gonna try to flip it up where I just do just my chickens in my garden and Lisa, push your channel this the month hasn't started. January, February I push Lala while Lala push one of us channel. Lisa, you could do the same. You know, and we work together and we can listen. Unity is strength. While Lala is pushing Green Rambo, I'm doing Lisa. Lisa could be doing Lala. You understand? For that month, we can grow. We can grow. There's a guy on there. It's called Planter. Planter. He was on here. I'll tell you his name. When I say this guy puts out like 4 videos, and he's working hard on his channel. I'm trying to get back. I gotta get to Exotic Cookbook and check out their channel. Planter, where are you, brother? I gotta go back and check him out. Let me see. I'll tell you his name. Again, don't forget to check out Princess ATV. Planter. Where are you, brother? Okay. It's called Planter Garden TV. Planter Garden TV. I've been watching this guy lately. Planter Garden TV. He's been giving some advice, but the advice he's giving is on his and how his thing grows. You understand what I'm saying? And I mean, some of his advice is real good. I mean, some of his advice is great. But he's been pushing. He'll put out 2-3 videos a day. Remember, if you put out a short, it's a video. And I've been on his channel. I'm trying to help too. Trying to help. Yeah. Planter Garden TV. He's been trying to push his channel with his garden stuff, and he's from I'm not sure what island he's from. But I like how he's pushing it. I like how he's pushing it. But guys, if in January when I go live, I'm gonna be pushing Suburban Homestead. If you guys do a video or whatever, you could pick one of all 4 of us. We're gonna team up on them. We're gonna make our channel great again. I can't believe I said that. I can't believe I just said that. I can't believe I said that. We're gonna push each other's channel. Um, Lisa, Lala, Rambo. Do you guys agree with us? What I'm saying? I can't believe I just said make channel great again. Oh my God! Do you guys agree? If you agree, just give a thumbs up, and we'll just there you go, and we're gonna work on each other. Let's have each other grow. And if you guys, like I said, this is for everybody. If you guys want to bring other people in the group, in our little group, you guys are welcome. Just let us know who and we whatever subscribe I have, send it to you guys' channel. Whatever you guys have, send it to our channel. And if people likes it and they want to join, I mean, we don't discriminate. We everybody could have a piece of the pie as long as we work with each other. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me get my. Oh my God! Let me get my. I can't believe it. My phone. My phone. I'm not gonna let you die on me. I'm not gonna let you die on me. Look at that. I had 5%. Yeah, we gonna listen. I see if guys, you already know Color Smith. This guy is working with YouTubers. We don't want to be like TikTok. People fighting against each other and people killing each other. We want to have a union. We want to have a bond. One hand washes each other, and we can grow from that. We can definitely grow from that. I like that. Make love, not war. Hey, and a lot of people would take that the wrong way when you said make love. Like when you said make love, love each other. We don't have to physically love. We can grow from that. So in January, there he is. There he is. The person I was just talking about. I love what you're doing on your channel. I really and truly love what you're doing now. I love how you're pushing out your videos. Um, I'm talking about you, Planter Garden TV. Love how you pushing out your videos. And we there's four of us here. We have Suburban Homestead. We have Your Girl Lala, and we have Rambo Greenhand. We building a bond where we can support each other. Like if I go on, I can support you for this month. Next month, I support another one of us. You understand what I'm saying? Push our channel, push it out there, and push it out there until they get sick and tired of us for the whole month. Everybody gets a month. So if you want to join this group, it's what you call unity is strength. This is the group. If you want to join it, it's up to you, my brother. But I love what you're doing. I love the advice you're giving on gardening. Keep it up. And another thing, whenever you guys are putting out a video, please, if you're putting out a garden video, tag it at garden or at whatever. Tag your videos. Send your videos out to more people. Let certain groups know because you're tagging it at Garden Life, at fertilizing my garden, at whatever. Just push it out there. You'll have to start tagging your videos. Planter Garden TV. Make sure you get Rambo Green Hands, Your Girl Lala, and make sure Suburban Homestead. Make sure you get them. These are the people who we are gonna build a team with. We're gonna build a team. When you do your videos, push one of these persons on your videos for that whole month. Next month, you push another one. They'll do the same. We will all do the same. We're going to unite and we're going to build, let people know what we're doing, not what you're doing, what we're doing. And that's how we can grow. Do you agree, sir? Because I love what you're doing. And I was talking about you on this live of what you're doing, and you came back. Do you agree if there's four of us here, we can push each other and let each other grow? In your videos you're doing, make sure, hey, check out Lala, see what Lala is doing. Check me out, check out Homestead, check out Rambo. See what everybody's doing. Tell the people, go over there, go check them out. It don't hurt, it don't cost nothing. Spread the love. What do you think, sir? Okay, I don't know what you'll check everybody out, but hey, guys, let's do this. The people that I was talking to, let's do this. We can't lose. Thank you. Thank you. Check out the channels and push it. Push the channel. We'll go on. Check out. Well, I know your channel. I'll push your channel. Lalo push Rambo. We'll just push each other's channel. One hand washes the other. Like I said, I love what you're doing. Love the ideas you're giving. I love the ideas you're giving. You know, these guys here, that's here, we love. It's a hobby for us, but it's also life. Listen, put the hashtag in there. Put it in there. But we are, we will be strong. We can grow together. You know, while we respect each other. That's the number one thing. And Mr. Planter Garden TV, if you're in any area of us guys, because I don't know what area you're in, and you want to go to their farm and you know, interview them, you're welcome to. You have to let them know, or their garden, I should say. Interview them. They can give you ideas. You could give you ideas. You know what? I'm here squinting, not even with my glasses. I'm acting like I'm young. There we go. Baker's Creek. Yes, yes. I've been seeing them, the advertisement for seeds for them. I've been seeing them. You know, if you guys want hot peppers too, Pepper Joe. Pepper Joe. You know, we give ideas here, and you know, if there's a link, we give those links too. You know, that's how we do things. Pepper Joe has good peppers, all different kind of hot peppers for me. I get seeds or plant. Now I see eBay is doing the same thing. Matter of fact, even Amazon, everybody's trying to sell live plants now. Listen, humanitarian is great. It's great. I mean, we have to look out for each other, regardless, because we're all human beings. We're all human beings, and guess what? You never know the person or the background or the culture, or when I say culture, I don't use the word race. I mean culture. You don't know of that person who can save your life. You understand? Oh my God! Whoa, 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 whoa! You had Scotch bonnet, 8 years old. Scotch bonnet. That's a beautiful thing. A lot of people don't know on the island. On the island, you plant a Scotch bonnet in the of your back of the kitchen. You could get Scotch bonnet for over 10 years from that tree. That is a beautiful thing. That is a beautiful thing. And Lisa, Lisa, and I'm getting tired of it over here. You go to a store, a Caribbean store, you ask for Scotch bonnet, and they giving you habanero, and they thinking, I know my peppers. They give you a habanero, and people buying them up, thinking they're Scotch bonnet, and they're not Scotch bonnet. They're habanero. Habanero comes in all different shapes. I know my habanero. I know my Scotch bonnet. But you have Scotch bonnet for 8 years. I believe you. I believe you. Lala, Rambo, do you remember Jamaica? That Scotch bonnet tree in the back of the kitchen. And how old them Scotch bonnet tree was? Producing 4 or 5 times a year. And Lisa, yes, man. Yes, that Scotch bonnet back there for years. But I think I found the secret of saving those Scotch bonnet trees. Take them out the ground, dig them up, wash the roots, put them in some soil, trim the whole tree, trim everything down, and put it inside. Let fresh leaves. If you don't trim it for the winter, all the energy will go straight to the branch. You don't want that. I have some trees downstairs. Honest to God, I don't know if they're Scotch bonnet. I don't know if they're Carolina Reaper, Trinidadian Scorpion Pepper, Ghost Pepper. I have a whole bunch down. I just trimmed it, and they're growing right now because when I pull them out, I didn't relabel them. Whoa, whoa, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Real Scotch bonnet pepper seeds. Yes. The some the humble servant. Yes. You know what that man, let me tell you something. That channel, the humble servant, that man tree, when I say they have peppers on them, the humble servant, that's one of my favorite channels. If you look, you'll see a comment sometimes on it. Oh my God. Callaloo. All that stuff. If you, it's, I don't know if they will ship them, Rambo. Check out that they have a Etsy. I think it's a Etsy. Check out the humble servant. They have everything you want, and they have their store, the humble servant. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Now, yo, let me tell you something. I respect that man so much. Goat manure and chicken manure. I'll call you later. This is my daughter. Goat manure and chicken manure. The wonders it does. Oh, the meat now. That deer. Oh, did you see the one when his son shoot the first deer? Did you see when he shot the first deer? This one he got nice deer on this one. The callaloo that man has. You see the thickness of the stalk? Oh my God. Wait a minute. You got callaloo from, do you live near him? Or do you go on the website? This man, yo, God bless this man. God, this man. You ever heard of somebody who have a green thumb? This man thumb is not green. His thumb is underneath there with the fruits and the vegetables. It's right underneath there within the ground, growing the stuff. Yeah, I love watching his shows. They live off the land. Lala, if you still here, check out the humble serpent. We promote everybody. We promote everybody. You know what? That's the advantage this man have. They have acres and acres and acres of land where they could grow anything and everything, in which they do. You know what this man did? And I respect him so much. They went driving one time at one point for herbs. Herbs, simple. You drive and you see bushes and you don't even know those bushes are herbs. They went driving to get herbs. I only have 1 acre, but mine is like hill. Mine's on a hill, but I make it. I take advantage of it. Yeah, plant a garden. Please check out the humble servant. That man is a Jamaican living here for a while. His wife, he have his wife, his kids. Man, living off the land. When I say this man plant everything and anything, I have mad respect for this man. Mad respect. And a lot of people might get annoyed with him and say he talk too much. This man don't talk too much. He explains things. He explains things nice, and he's humble. Humble servant's a good name. And he explains things and he'll do it step by step. That's what I have. That's what I respect by him. And his channel is growing. I wish he would know that we here discussing him and things he does. Okay, hold on. Glasses again. Somebody else came on. Hey people, I respect everybody who's here. Thank you. Thank you for coming in. You didn't have to, but you took time out to come and check it out. And you've been given the thumbs up, and I appreciate it. You know what, Lala? That's something I have a problem with. That's something I really and truly have a problem with. You see, this HOA. I cannot have a property and people tell me what me can do and me can't do for my property. I cannot do it. I cannot do it. I have a HOA, and the HOA for buy this place, the HOA is for the lights outside. It helps pay for the light outside. Can't tell people what to do with their property. It's yours. You paying taxes. You paying your mortgage. You see that HOA now that they have these strict rules. If they don't like certain things about your house, they could put together and buy your house just to get rid of you. It's in their contract. You just don't read it. Hey, I would love to. Trust me. Any plants I get educated on, it's a beauty. Yo, here they don't mess with me. They don't mess with nobody on the street. We like I said, we do have a HOA. We pay for the lights outside, $25 a year. That's the street lights. $25. Yo, me no business. If me want dig up a wall of my lawn and put fruit trees and me want do it is my business. They are not paying nothing on my property to tell me where or how much land or how much. They cannot do that. I don't respect that. Uh-uh. Mm-mm. Me I look for property at Florida, So that HOA foolishness is. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Now look for nothing there. So that HOA thing can run away. It can run away. It's them I put restriction on your property. Mm-mm. Me nah. On the island, people use car tires and they build like what would I say now? What would I say? The car tire they I'm put dirt and everything and build like a box, but it's a tire box. Certain HOA you can't do that, and they paint the tires nice colors and everything. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. I don't deal with HOA. The only reason why I deal with it is because just for the lights and our community. If there's no lights, it is dark. But you could do anything you can do on your property. It's your property. Nobody should tell you what to do with your property. You shouldn't be paying people to tell you what to do on your property. It's bad enough when you own a property, or they say you own a property, you don't really own it because if you don't pay taxes, it's not yours. If you don't pay HOA, they could put a lien on your property. No, 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 no. Not the one I deal with. This for lights. HOA is the biggest con game in this country. It's a con game. I've been preaching for years. No, you have to grow your own. You have to grow your own. I was showing earlier my fruit trees. I have a section on my property where I grow my vegetables, and I have a section where I grow my herbs because a lot of people don't know if you grow your herbs and your vegetables, sometimes your vegetable, when it gets too high or whatever, peppers or whatever, it'll cover the sunlight for the herbs. So I grow them separate. So planter, I know you've been telling for years, and I've seen what you've been doing. I've seen what you've been doing, and I see how you build your fertilizer. Like I put in your comment, if you need some of my fertilizer, brother, I'm willing to share. I'm willing to share. But you use the natural leaves and you turn it in the ground and let it, you know, blend in with the ground, with the earth. I like that. That Georgia clay, that red clay on your property is not red no more. I like what you're doing. Oh Lord, things going on here. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Because store that, yeah. Listen, everything you get in the store, everything you get in the store, they pick them young. They pick them when they're not ready to be picked. Because if they pick them when they're ready to be picked, by the time it get to the store, it'll spoil. So, okay, I have. Okay, you see the sawdust? I put it in my chicken coop. I let my chicken do their stuff in it, poop, whatever, and my chickens now. Let me see something. Can I? No, come on for this. My chickens now. This, you see this thing they call the feeding that they give your chicken to make them lay eggs. I don't give them that because that has chemical in it. So what I do, Let me go show you. Hold on a second. Because it's better off showing you than telling you. I give my chickens natural stuff. The crushed corn, the wheat, the sunflower seeds, the I think they have crushed peanuts in it because peanuts make chicken lay eggs. Crushed peanuts. Because when I was raising birds, that's what I was giving them, the crushed peanuts. Right? So it's best if I show you what I give them instead of telling you. Because what they tell you to give your chickens to lay eggs, it's just an enhancer. And every enhancer has drugs in it. Or some kind of chemicals. I don't want that. Okay. Before I do it, I have one chicken. This one, I did wash it, but okay, these right here is my hybrid. That means it was a mixed breed, hybrid mixed breed chicken, so they lay green eggs. Nice. I'm not gonna lie. Very nice. Put this back. I know, refrigerator. I know. The door's open too long. I'm sorry, folks. This is what I feed chicken. You're not trying to give them all that junk. They say, oh, give them layer feeding and all that. No, chicken will lay. If it's a layer chicken, they will lay on their own. That garbage that they tell you to buy, it has too much chemicals in it. This is sawdust I use. I use this, and I use the wood chip. Let me take it out and show you guys. This right here. That's what I use. Let me show you what it looks like now. That's what it looks like. You have corn, you got all type of weeds and stuff in it. You know, seeds, natural seeds in it. Natural seeds. Yeah, you got all natural seeds. I'm not giving them that layer feeding junk that they have out. And this is their favorite. This is dry worms. I give them this. This is for protein, calcium, and hens love it. It says, but they really do love it. It's dry worm. Because they need their protein. I give them that as a snack. And one of my chicken, like I said, my main layer died because I didn't have this right here. This right here is the water warmer. And the water froze. I had it in one of the regular thing, and the water froze. And he didn't have no water. Just eating. Didn't have no water. When I came home, it just died. And the others, I had it in this. And when I changed the water, man, they went there and they would drink for about 15-20 minutes. Just drinking. They were thirsty. Alright. This one I clean my chicken clean the chicken coop. See all this? This is seeds growing. This from, if you can see how clear this one is, this from last week. It didn't break down yet. Over here, guys, if you have your strawberries and stuff, just put them in there. The old strawberries, put them in there and cover them up. You'll have fresh strawberries tree. I turned this because it don't matter how cold this is. When you turn it at a certain time, you see heat coming from it because it's melting down. It's melting down. So that's what I do. And what I'm gonna do now is, it's crazy. I have my rosemary, my thyme, my oregano, and over there's strawberries. I'm gonna have to get all these up, all of them, to spread that out. Then when I spread it out, I'm gonna turn the soil. I'm gonna go deep in the ground because this is not clay anymore. I did this a year ago too. Look, that's not clay anymore. Look, just like our planter does, this is not clay anymore. What I do before I do that, I get the sand, construction sand, and I mix that with it. It has good drainage. Like this last year. This is not red clay no more. Let me show you. Just like planter says, I have the same soil he has. See the red clay? I have that. That garden is not that no more. Over here, I cut up my sugar cane. Sugar cane is under there. So I'm expecting to have sugar cane next year over there. So like planter said, what you put in your soil, and when you turn your soil, that's what you're gonna get. But whatever you put in your soil, make sure it's nutrition. It has nutrients for that soil. Make sure the soil blends in and feeds your plant. Because the clay is good for your plant. That natural Georgia clay is good for your plant. But you're just improving the soil. You're improving the vitamins for your plant. That's all I'm doing. I'm improving the vitamins for my plant. Planter, check out his channel and check out my channel. And look at his pepper trees. And look at my pepper trees. I had pepper trees taller than me. Last year, my pepper trees were literally. And when I go in the pepper tree, I have to move them aside and come out and say, hey, I'm in here. I'm in the pepper plant. That's how tall they was, and the fruits that I got from them was amazing. You eat. That's why I said I respect planter, because he used trash, which people get all the leaves and blow all the leaves and put them aside. He takes those leaves and he put it in his ground. He makes use of those leaves. Those leaves came from trees. What makes trees grow? Vitamins. So the vitamins that come out of the ground goes into those leaves. And he used those leaves to put back into the soil to create more vitamins for his plants. Rambo, listen, man. Listen. You're the one why I stuck to your channel. There's things that you teach me. I watch you guys and I watch to learn. Lala, for example, the storm blew her a tree down, and she's slick too. She's showing the tree, and I said to myself, "Oh, you should have cut it down. It'll grow back." Then she went all the way up and said, "Oh, I'm glad I didn't cut it down. Look at all these papayas on it." I was like, "Oh, okay." I learned from you guys. You know, when I seen all those papaya on the tree. The tree's on the ground. I love learning from you guys. That will make you a better farmer. There's ideas you could take from somebody, and some of it works, some of it won't work. Depends on where you at. Depends on your growing zone. Uh-oh. Let me go plug my phone in. Phone is dying. These clothes are so damn shiny. You wanna fall. Hold on. Let me go plug my phone in. All of them got sick. Let me go plug my phone in. Whew. Lord. There you go. I was on 2%. Didn't realize. Yes, we all have something to offer. That's why I want to promote. I would promote you guys any day, anytime. And that's why I want to create this group where we could promote each other. We could learn from each other. Yeah, we can learn from each other. Things that I see you do, Rambo, I'm like, oh my God. People, if you go back on and watch Rambo's channel, this man has some cucumbers I've never seen in my life. Man, those cucumbers are delicious as hell. They're different colors and different shape and different size. I'm like, whoa. Man. Yo, those cucumbers were so good, bro. They were so delicious. And you know what I do? I save some of the, always save seeds. Always, people, save seeds. Like I said earlier, for the past 4 years, I haven't bought no lettuce. I have lettuce seeds outside right now. Not lettuce seeds, lettuce baby plants. And because of the winter, they slow down. I could go out there right now and separate or give away 100 and still get lettuce for next season. If I like I said, if I plant 10, I eat 8 and let 2 go to seed for next year. I have the biggest okra tree I could find. I had to use a ladder to climb my okra tree. You think I'm not going to save seeds from that? Of course I'm going to save seeds from that okra plant. I have to use a ladder to go pick okra. Have you guys ever seen people go to farm work and you see them climb a ladder to pick the apples and all that? That's what I had to do to pick okra. Lisa. Lisa, that's what we talking about, sister. Why would we be eating that stuff when we could grow our own? We don't know what they put on it. And people, Lisa, Planter, Rambo, Lala, you guys, listen to this now. And I want you to type in the chat. What's the biggest scam they have out now when it comes to fruit and vegetables? What's the biggest scam? What's the biggest scam? Rambo Planter. Rambo. What's the biggest scam they have out right now? Come on, type in the chat, guys. What's the biggest scam they have out about in the supermarket about our fruits and vegetables? Which costs more? And it costs more. It costs more. No, okay, Rambo, you're almost there. It's the biggest scam they have out right now. It's one word. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That organic is the biggest scam supermarkets have out. When I say the biggest scam, I mean the biggest scam. You know what's organic, people? You grow it yourself. You know what's in it. You know what you put on it. You knows what you're putting in your body. Now, when they said organic in that supermarket, and okay, I'm gonna buy an apple for 50 cents, and I look over here and I see organic for $1. Why is the apple last so long? Why does a pear last so long? Organic stuff doesn't last that long. All natural stuff doesn't last that long. These things from the day they pick it to the supermarket to you buying it to your to plate, that's about 2 months, 2.5 months. You pick some fresh vegetables. By the end of the week, they're going bad. You have carrots in these stores for months and they don't go bad. Why? Even your organic stuff. Because the chemical. Say it again. Say it again, planter. Trust what you grow. Say it again, my brother. Say it again. Why? Okay, I'm going to ask another question. All the chemicals that they're putting on these fruits and these vegetables, why do you think the cancer rate's going up so high? Have you ever heard of every action there's a reaction? Action, the chemical you spray. Reaction, sickness. Again, action, the stuff they put on the stuff you buy. Reaction, the sickness after that. All right, I'm going to ask you guys a simple question. Simple question, simple. Do you remember back growing up, 70s, 80s, you used to go to pipe and drink water? and that water tastes good. You used to go drink water from the hose, tastes good. You see anybody doing that now? Do you guys see anybody drinking pipe water from the hose? Remember when we used to drink it? We outside playing, we drink some nice, cool pipe water. Do you see anybody doing it now? I used to catch rainwater. I used to. I stopped because they're messing with the weather now. Man, yo, we had good times. Grew up on good, but that's why you see these kids are locked in their house on computers. They're not. They're not. They're not. It's what they're eating. There's so much obese kids. It's the chemical in the food. We need to grow, like Planter said. We have to know what we're eating. Grow. Eat what we grow. You know what you put in your stuff. Man, regular pipe water was so good. It tasted nice and cool. Now, do you see anybody drinking from the pipe anymore? There's more bottled water companies out there than ever. And guess what? 90% of them are getting the same, selling the same pipe water that nobody wants to drink right now. Growing up, Lisa, let me see if you know this. Growing up, the only bottled water that we know of was Deer Park. They had a commercial when they drink the water. They say, "Deer Park, that was good water," or "That's good water." There was no other bottled company, water company around. Lisa, if there was, please refresh my memory. Please refresh my memory, Lisa. If you remember another bottled water company that did commercials and the most famous one, now you have about, if you go to a supermarket or a store, they have a whole refrigerator just for water, different name brands. Listen to this. Listen to this. Listen how these people, how they play games with these people with these chemical stuff. They have a water called Smart Water. Okay. They have what are called smart water, selling like crazy. So if it's so smart, when you drink it, why are you still dumb? Oh my god, people! This is a topic. This is a topic we all got to go in. Matter of fact, you know what? Any one of us can go live and we talk about this topic. Smart my ass. Smart water. This is any one of you guys go live and we talk about this. I'm willing to join, willing to sit there and it's just how they poison in our bodies. We have to get smart now and start. It's not even now. It should have been. We should have been doing it. Grow your own. Eat your own. Doesn't hurt. And you know what? And a lot of people haven't tried it. Growing your own. Just being in the garden is so relaxing, especially for the older folk. It relaxes your nerves, bring your blood pressure down. It does so much that people don't even know. It's therapeutic. Just being out there, therapeutic. It's stress relief. It's everything. But people, guys, um, Lisa, when are you coming live again? She's gonna post when she's coming live. Thursday at 9 p.m. Thursday at 9 p.m. People, we should remember we're all checking out 9 p.m. I don't know what time that will be for you, Rambo, but if you get the chance, even if you don't watch the live, you could go back and watch it. Let her know you was there. Um, guys, it was a pleasure, and God bless you guys. Keep growing. Catch you guys on the next one. Next month, Rambo, pick one of us four to promote. Lisa, do the same thing. I'll do the same thing. Planter, if you want here and you want if you want to join in with that, you can. But we're gonna start promoting each other, pushing each other's channel. I know Lala will do it definitely. Lala's not here. But guys, God bless you. Happy New Year's. And don't ever forget to tell someone that you love them. Don't ever forget to use that word love. It's very important. Okay? Catch you guys on the next one. Matter of fact, see you Thursday. Lisa, God bless you guys. And I'm about to end this thing.